私たちの奏でるセッションを。
Sing sounds of earth like violin, operatic, muscle, maracas. Ano na magka-jenga bell na laki. Bene! Di na naman, violin eh. Go, sounds of earth, you can do this. Ano naman din yung opera? Yeah, come. Imagine, you're oh god. You're an opera! Thought you're a conductor! Why you look at me? Tell me, why you look at me like that? Oh no! That's the opera theater! That's the opera theater. Next up, contender number 2. Sounds of Earth! Ikaw na ungoy. Pam 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 pam. Imagine, kita some black enter the theater and started an opera sing. Also, contender number 3, that's opera or contender number 4 is kita some black. Now you are the next. Do not play violin always. Sounds of Earth and Sounds of Earth in under 15 minutes. Oh! Supplies! Sounds of Earth! Wala na pero singin na ano ka. You're Italian! Officially, you're Italian. Okay, that's it, I'm done. However, there's no opera singing here. What I like isお誕生日おめでとう。Nakita some black guy. What the hell? I want Sounds of Earth and nakita some. What I want is Buongiorno! Get ready. Buongiorno! Ikaw! Saan ko paano mo ang pewatic singing voice? Uli mo gago ka. I'm gonna do it again. Shall no. How about yourself? Fine, I'll do it just once, huh? Where should I start? How? Oh, I couldn't say it. No, that sounds nice. Enough with the reference of Sounds of Earth. Here's how you look like when it sounds like this. Opera! What? Ko daw, power. Di ako magkuhan. Ma-opera sa'yo. Ayaw naman. Pag-pause ang video. No, di ako ma-pause ang video. I want to say Sounds of Earth. Ayan! Kawan ni. Ni mo nawan. O mag-opera si Sounds of Earth sa im.